seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero.
What's up guys, this is Ashish here from Ashish Kanoja Official and I'm Drone Freak. So we guys are here to shoot a pre-wedding. The location is Mahabaleshwar, so we're gonna start making a vlogs over here, and the location my team is over here. Bolo. Oh, yes. This is the location. This is not my room. 304 is my room. Yeah. So that's it. Yep. And then we straight away shoot at the location. So we are about to travel to the location. The team is ready. They're doing mostly or not.
Hi, let's. बस अभी चालू प्री-वेडिंग चालू कर
What's up? So we are about to travel to the location with Jesh bhai, and let's get into it. My assistant Ava.
My cook Thapa.
He's come from Nepal. He's come from Nepal.
Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running.
So we reached the location, bro, and the hotel where we're shooting at is this. And then we're gonna start shooting up, so just be ready.
You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So guys, we're done shooting with the one location and traveling to the another one, and the footage we have got is really awesome. And मैं जो footages मिला है वो एकदम बाप मिला है. So we're traveling. अभी हम लोग खाना खाने जा रहे हैं, and then we're gonna start going to other location. So we are other location for shooting up this pre-wedding Mahabaleshwar, and the location you can really see is very awesome. बहुत मस्त location है. Location. These guys are like pushing out this car. And the location.
उधर हेली जाने देना
वो साइड
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines.
तब की हालत टाइट हो गई, चल के आधे घंटे से चलो चलो. हाँ चलो पानी के लिए चढ़ा पड़े. चलो हमारा जो मेन बंदा है वो आगे जा रहा है, उधर चल के देखो, आगे दिख रहा है आपको. हाँ ट्रैकिंग करना है हम लोग। हाँ यहाँ पे एक बंदी है जो जिम जाती है ये।
आज गई नहीं तो यहाँ जिम हो गया।
हाँ मैं भी जाता हूँ। अरे जयेश भाई पानी। See from here the location, bro. What's up? So we have reached here to the lodge point. It's called a lodge point. The lodge point. Baby, oh my God! You should see this thing. The location is very beautiful. It's kind of very deep over here. It's very deep.
You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you found me alone, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your
So guys, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification icon. Thanks for watching the video.